I'm really looking forward to unboxing my new acrylic paints that I just got from Blake. I got some really nice new paints from Golden. Now, Liquitex Heavy Body Acrylics is what I've been using in the past, and also what I've used with my students. But Golden is the next level. Golden, if you are listening, I would love for you to sponsor this video. Here we have some ultramarine blue. Of course, I have my yellow ochre, which is my favorite yellow. Here are all the colors in their glory. This video is a basic introduction to the new paints. In a future video, I will unpack what I like about Golden Acrylics and how to use them. Just some of the colors that you can see here. We have all the different blues from ultramarine to phthalo blue to cobalt blue, cerulean blue, manganese blue. Yes, these are all different types of blues. We have the greens, and here we go from yellow to orange to red and to violet. And then over on this side we've got two titanium white. We have several brown colors, from burnt umber to Van Dyke brown to red oxide, Payne's gray, which is a beautiful gray, and raw sienna. They didn't have it when I went to purchase these. They didn't have it on the large tube, so I will be going back looking for the sienna and the raw sienna, which are very important earth colors. I also bought the medium to use and the extender, as well as I got this new palette knife. This is where it's at. So I'm really looking forward to using it with my other palette knives that I have. I am so excited to be using these acrylic paints going forward. Please tune into this channel to see what new paintings we make together. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.